faith one last time. And if you don't answer me, I'll know you're not real. Or that you don't love me. Please hear me. Please. We need you to heal Miss Freeman. That's all I ask. Please. I need you. Amen. There's your God.
Hey, just wait 1 minute.
For what? I told you this would happen. I told you.
You have to give God a chance.
I'm such a fool. You're not a fool. Just stop it.
Gertie.
Leave me alone.
You guys are so loud.
Oh my God.
See, Gertie, I told you.
Hi. Hi. Hey, somebody call the doctor. She's awake. I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited. Okay.
We prayed for you.
I did.
Did you see our mom?
Yes.
Really? What did she say?
She told me to kiss the both of you every day. She told me to tell Gertie something.
What?
She's so proud of you. And don't give up so easy. And she told me to tell you, God is real.